guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this amazingly beautiful Stone and Lain Stoneware dinner set. Let's check it out. This dishware set comes with everything you need to set up for your first home, your first apartment, or if you just have a small family. It has the 4 large dinner plates. I really love these because they have the lip on the side so you don't have to worry about things sliding off when you're moving them around. 4 dinner plates, 4 smaller plates, and same thing, they have that really nice lip on it too. So I think these are absolutely gorgeous plates. Another one of my favorites is the bowl. It's super deep and really, really great. I love having my cereal in there, my oatmeal, and a massive bowl of ice cream too. And then you just have the 4 simple design mugs. I love the color on this. It is like a sandy kind of speckly color, and it's super beautiful. They're really smooth, gorgeous to hold, and having a hot drink in these is absolute heaven. So I love it. I think they're absolutely great, but that's just my point of view.